Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy curly bun hairstyle. To start off, I've curled the hair and we're just going to leave some sections out to frame the face. Now I'm going to divide the hair from ear to ear straight across, and all we're going to do is divide this section into 3 equal parts and then just drop out that middle section. Bring the 2 side sections together at the back of the head and secure with an elastic band. Pop your fingers behind that elastic band, pass the ponytail to them and pull it through to create a twist. Grab some texture spray, I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, apply it all over the top of the hair and then pinch and pull at the crown for a bit more volume, and then gently pinch and pull both of those twists. Now we're just going to take a small slice of hair from the right and left side of the head. We're going to bring these together over the top of all the hair and secure them with another elastic band. I'm basically going to keep working this way until we get to the shoulders. So take another section from both sides. Bring them both together in front of all the hair and secure with another band. And then repeat one more time until you reach the shoulders. Now that we've hit the shoulders, we're going to start leaving a little bit of hair out, so a few loose curls. So bring your sections together and then from the right hand side just take one of the curls and just release it from the hair. And then tie your sections together in front as normal. And now this time we're going to bring the sections together and have a curl coming out of the section on the left hand side, so just pull it out and let it hang down and secure these together also. Keep working your way down the bottom of the hair. You can add sections out from both sides or just one or the other, just go with whatever you feel is best. So leave a few inches at the bottom of the hair, and now we're going to add some texture spray all down that braid, and then we're going to really pinch and pull the edges and the middle of each of those stitches to give it lots more messy volume. Now take hold of the end of that braid and we're just going to wrap it at the nape of the neck in a clockwise direction. And once you've got it positioned where you want it, just pin around the entire perimeter of that little bun with as many bobby pins as needed. Once you've got your bun secure, just spend a minute or two positioning some of those curls. I like it when they're tumbling out from the sides, and then maybe just 1 or 2 from the middle and a few from the bottom. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.